Hey everyone, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and today's episode is all about one thing, and that is announcing the next giveaway. Now, this giveaway is the biggest, the craziest giveaway I've ever done to date, and probably will do for quite some time. Now, I can probably go on for a little while just talking about what the giveaway is, but instead, why don't I just show you? That's right, everybody. I'm giving away a supercharger. And not just any supercharger, a tailor-made supercharger for your Classic Mini, made by VMAX S-Cart, my buddy Stuart over in the UK. Now, this supercharger that I'm holding right here, this is not the one that you're gonna get. This is my supercharger, and I'm not giving this away. The winner's supercharger is going to be made in the color of their choice, so you won't have to pick that textured black if it's not up your alley. But I'm not just giving away a supercharger. I'm giving you an option. You can either take a fully kitted out supercharger or $2,000 United States dollar dues. That's right. I am going to be giving away either a whole supercharger kit or money. Cold hard cash. And that money has absolutely no strings attached. All you have to do is say, hey, thanks for the money. I can't wait to use this on stuff. And you can use it on whatever you want to. So now you guys might be wondering, how do I enter into this giveaway? Well, this isn't like my previous giveaways. I'm doing this one a little bit differently. So the way that it works is you can visit merch.classicminidiy.com, and every single product on my merch store has a corresponding amount of entries associated with it. The brass tacks about it, though, is for every dollar you spend, the more entries you get. So you'll get an awesome Classic Mini DIY product, whether you want to just get some stickers or a full set of t-shirts, whatever you want, and you'll be getting entries into this giveaway. The full legal details about this giveaway are available on my merch store. There's a link in the main menu up there if you're interested in those. And I'm going to be drawing the winner for this giveaway at the end of my supercharger project. So the plan is to have this done by summer, which means that the giveaway winner is going to be drawn probably around late April, early May, hopefully, unless we run into any snags with the supercharger build. So hopefully that does not happen. Now, I am really excited about sharing this with you guys. I'm also really nervous. This is the biggest giveaway I've ever hosted on the channel, so I hope that you guys are excited about it. But if you have any questions about it at all, feel free to post in the comment section below. But how exciting is this? I'm pretty amped. I hope you guys are too. And that's really going to wrap up this episode. So again, if you have any questions at all, post them in the comment section or in the live chat if you're watching this live, and I will see you guys on the next episode. But until I see you, enjoy those minis and motor on.